Hey guys, Tech Mentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart or reset your iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is going to be similar as any iPhone 12 series like the iPhone 12 Pro. You're going to follow the same exact step on both models or any of the models with the latest iOS version with all screen. Now, force restart will ensure that if you're having any sort of software related issue, whether screen isn't working, touch isn't working, camera's not working, sound isn't working, apps are not working, whatever the case is, Apple recommends this as the #1 go-to solution, which for the most part works most of the time fixing software related issue. And to do that, first thing you're going to want to do is locate the volume up and volume down button on your left hand side, and then this big side button. So what you'll need to do is quickly press and release the volume up, then press and release the volume down one after another, and then come over to this side and hold that side button until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo appear, you'll let go of that side button. So I'm going to do it now. Volume up, volume down, and then I hold that side button just like that. And you might have to do it a few times to get it right. If Siri activates, that means you didn't press volume up and down quick enough. So keep on trying. And then as you can see here, the screen went completely black, which is good. And we're still holding on to that side button. And then we let go after about a few seconds or so until we see the Apple logo appear. And after that, the phone basically shut down the software and then reloading the code, because if it's a software related issue, bug, glitch, whatever it is, it will resolve those problems for you. And this method is completely safe. It will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your phone. And you should be good to go, and your phone should work like brand new again. A force restart, make sure you press volume up and down quickly one after another before holding on to that side button. And you might have to do it a few times to get it right. So if it doesn't work the very first time, keep on trying, volume up, volume down, and then hold that side button just like that, and go ahead and give it a try. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.